The moment it hits the oil, the water evaporates explosively, setting the crust.
Out they come at 28 degrees, fully cooled, crust set solid, and safe to handle.
Under vacuum pressure, the marinade penetrates deep into the meat fibers instantly. X-ray technology scans every piece for bone fragments and any foreign objects automatically.
Each box is hand-packed to spec, golden, crispy pieces arranged skin side up every time. Right here, a refrigerated truck packed with fresh whole chickens is pulling into the factory dock. The crates come in chilled at just 2 degrees Celsius, locking in freshness from farm to factory.
Every pallet of raw chicken travels down this receiving lane before anything else happens.
A supervisor checks every single shipment. If the temperature is off, the whole batch is rejected.
Every crate gets scanned. Batch number, farm source, and arrival time all logged instantly.
Accepted batches go straight into the cold staging area while they wait for full inspection.
Inside this cooler, thousands of kilograms of raw chicken wait ready for the next stage.
One by one, the crates start moving down the inspection line principe. It all begins right here.
The lid comes off, and there they are, raw, chilled, whole chickens, packed tight and ready for inspection.
Inspectors check every bird by hand. Lot, skin color, joint quality, no bruising, no feather traces.
Any bird that doesn't pass goes straight into the reject bin, no exceptions on this line.
Every batch gets weighed to the gram right here. Accurate records keep production running perfectly. Each individual bird gets weighed and banded by size of joy. That controls portion consistency down the line.
The supervisor reviews every batch's data live. Nothing moves forward without a clean report.
Each chicken goes onto the wash line now. Inside that tunnel, a powerful automated system takes over.
Inside, rotating water jets hit every surface of the bird, washing away any surface contaminants completely. Rotating nylon brushes gently scrub every inch of the bird, while water keeps washing everything away.
The final rinse uses ice-cold clean water, flushing out everything and leaving the bird perfectly clean. Clean and dripping, the birds come out the other end. Good. Every surface sanitized and ready for cutting. High-pressure air knives strip the surface moisture right off the nesting. Drier skin means better coating adhesion later.
Dozens of clean, chilled birds move down the line now, heading straight into the cutting room.
These clean whole birds are about to be cut into pieces for loin. This machine handles everything at high speed. A precision blade finds the exact joint and cuts the leg quarter clean off every single time. Now the wings get separated, a clean cut right at the joint. Nothing wasted, every piece perfect.
The breast gets split right down the center custo. Clean bone, white meat, perfect portions every time.
Legs, wings, and breasts each travel on their own lane, and the line stays organized from this point forward.
Every single piece runs over an automatic check weigher, counting. Anything outside spec gets pushed off the line.
Workers sort every piece by type into labeled trays. Legs here, wings there, breasts in their own section. Look at those cuts, clean bone edges, perfect skin, and the right size every time before marination begins. The portions are loaded up and moved straight to the marination room. Millen. The flavor transformation starts now.
Welcome to the marination room. And those giant stainless steel tumblers are where the real flavor gets built.
Before the chicken arrives, we blend a precise mix of herbs, spices, and seasonings.
This ribbon blender ensures every grain of spice is perfectly mixed for consistent flavor.
The liquid base starts here. Fresh eggs and milk combined in a high-speed mixer. When the spice blend hits the liquid, it transforms into our signature marinade. Raw portions are loaded directly into this massive vacuum tumbler for deep seasoning. Under vacuum pressure, the marinade penetrates deep into the meat fibers instantly.
45 minutes later, the meat is fully infused and rich with flavor.
The marinated pieces are unloaded, glistening, and ready for the breading line. This is the automated breading line, designed to coat thousands of pieces per hour. Fresh flour and our secret spice blend are loaded constantly into the hoppers.
Each marinated piece is carefully spaced on the belt for even coating.
First, the bottom belt coats the underside as the pieces glide through a flour bed. Soft pressure rollers gently force the flour mix into every crevice of the meat.
Then, a curtain of flour showers down, completely covering the top surfaces.
They emerge fully coated in the first dry layer, ready for the batter dip. A rich egg and milk batter is constantly mixed to keep it smooth and consistent.
Temperature and viscosity are checked digitally. It must be perfect to hold the second coat. The flour-coated pieces move seamlessly toward the liquid dipping tank. Submersion is total, locking in the first layer and creating a sticky surface. They emerge glistening and wet, carrying just the right amount of egg wash.
A gentle air knife blows off the excess, preventing drips and ensuring a crisp finish.
Now wet and sticky, the chicken is primed for the final crunchy layer. This second machine applies a coarser flour mix to create that famous crispy texture. As the wet batter hits the dry flour, the crispy crust begins to form immediately. Pressure rollers force the flour into the batter, building up those crunchy flakes. One last cascade of flour seals the deal, ensuring total coverage.
Look at that texture. Rough, flaky, and ready to become incredibly crispy.
Inspectors verify every piece to ensure no bare spots remain before frying.
They march toward the fryer bank, perfectly prepped for the hot oil.
Here they are, the high-capacity industrial fryers, hot and ready at 175 degrees Celsius. Precise temperature control is critical. Too cool and it's greasy, too hot and it burns. The moment it hits the oil, the water evaporates explosively, setting the crust.
Inside the vat, the coating hardens rapidly, sealing the juices inside the meat.
Watch the color turn from pale white to that appetizing golden brown.
3 minutes in, they float to the surface, signaling they are nearly done.
A core temperature check confirms 82 degrees Celsius, perfectly cooked and safe.
The basket rises, revealing the total transformation. Crispy, golden, and hot. Each piece gets transferred to a draining belt, where gravity pulls away any remaining oil. A vibrating pan shakes out the last oil droplets, leaving each piece light and crispy.
Now the hot pieces enter the cooling tunnel, where chilled air brings them down to safe temperature.
Inside the tunnel, cool air rapidly sets the crust and brings the core temperature down safely.
Out they come at 28 degrees, fully cooled, crust set solid, and safe to handle.
Every single piece passes under bright inspection lights before it ever leaves this room.
Color tells the story. Each piece must show that even, rich golden brown all the way around.
They press and listen for that crunch. Any soft spots mean the piece gets pulled.
X-ray technology scans every piece for bone fragments and any foreign objects automatically. Post-fry weight confirms the yield. Any piece outside spec is automatically rejected. The supervisor signs off digitally. Every metric is green, and the batch heads to packaging.
The packaging area is fully automated and organized to handle thousands of pieces every hour.
Workers sort every piece by type and portion size, matching each restaurant's exact order.
This machine forms 40 boxes per minute. Flat cardboard becomes a solid box in 1 second.
Each box is hand-packed to spec, golden, crispy pieces arranged skin side up every time.
Every box is date-coded, batch-stamped, and sealed for full traceability.
30 boxes per pallet, then stretch-wrapped and secured for cold chain transport.
Pallets move into -18-degree cold storage, where the product holds until it ships.
Every pallet is scanned and tracked in the system. Location, batch, and expiry, all recorded.
At the dock, refrigerated trucks are loaded and ready to deliver to restaurants across the region.
And just like that, it's on its way, from this factory floor to a restaurant near you.